which will be given up for you.
Hi guys! Nako, time check muna tayo.
It's react time!
Ako nga pala inyong Ninong Ray.
Matuling vlog.
And for today's video ay meron tayong papanoorin. Magre-react tayo dito. Pero bago natin panoorin, may tanong ako sa'yo.
Yes, no.
Naniniwala ka ba kung marinig mo ang boses mismo ng ating Panginoong Diyos?
Pag nandun na tayo sa akto,
Mm.
siyempre. Pero sa ngayon, hindi ko masasabi.
E paano kung marinig mo ito ngayong video na to at marinig mo ang boses ng ating Panginoong Diyos sa video na to?
Yan ang gagawa natin ng reaction.
Ayan guys, ako, hindi ko alam kung ano magiging reaction ko dito pag napanood, pero sabayan niyo po kami, panoorin po natin ang video na to.
It is in this Holy Mass participated by an international community when the main celebrant, Father McGinty, with co-celebrants Father Jerry Oboze and Father Dave Clay and other priests, when Father Jared raised the Holy Host during consecration, and as he speaks with his own voice, before the raising of the host, you will see his hands tremble, and his voice will change to that of Jesus. And then before the raising of the cup, this time his body will slightly shake. His voice changes once again to the voice of Jesus. Please watch and hear with reverence.
Lord, you are holy indeed, the fountain of all holiness. Let your Spirit come upon these gifts to make them holy, so that they may become for us the body and blood of our Lord Jesus Christ. Before he was given up to death, a death he freely accepted, he took bread and gave you thanks. He broke the bread, gave it to his disciples, and said, "Take this, all of you, and eat it. This is my body."
Ay, tinan mo yung Father, nanginginig.
Yung, uh,
Ulitin nga natin.
shaky
Nanginginig.
na siya.
Oo, yung
My
Father.
body.
Ayun, no?
Which will be given up for you.
Thank God.
Kaya goosebump.
Ito guys, panoorin ulit natin at pakinggan ulit natin yung video na to.
This is my body.
Nanginginig yung nanginginig.
Which will be given up for you.
When supper was ended, he took the cup. Again he gave you thanks and praise, gave the cup to his disciples, and said, "Take this, all of you, and drink from it. This is the cup of my blood, the blood of the new and everlasting covenant."
Ano sa tingin mo? Pakinggan ulit natin ha.
This is the cup of my blood, the blood of the new and everlasting covenant.
Hindi ko alam kung ito ang video na to in-upload siguro to, kung in-upload ito na raw, no? Siguro doon ako na hindi ko lang ha. Kasi baka mamaya altered na rin or edited din yung video. 'Di ba? Sa mga diyan guys, sa mga nag-e-edit diyan, please comment down below kung talagang inalter ba yung boses ni Father, no? Kasi nag-iba yung boses eh.
Nag-iba yung tone.
Nag-iba ng tone, no? Pero pangilabot kung ito talaga ay totoong boses ng ating Panginoong Diyos. 'Di ba guys, comment down below kayo kung ano sa tingin niyo, kung totoo ba ang boses nga talaga ito ng ating Panginoong Diyos. Kasi guys, grabe nakakakilabot. Promise, no? Diyos ko. Hindi mo pa makikita nga eh. Kilabot ka na. Marinig mo pa kaya?
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? Ayun guys, please comment down below. Let us know kung ano yung
Speechless.
speechless lang kami guys.
De,
Speechless.
pero according dun sa sa video, bago mag-transform yung boses, makikita mo mag-shake yung katawan na parang tawag dito, yung parang sumapi sa kanya si
Oo.
ang Panginoon. Tapos dun siya kaya makikita mo sa video na mag-shake talaga siya yung katawan niya.
Oo nga.
Kung
Tsaka
una
yung-
dun sa tinapay, di ba? Talagang
Oo.
shaky talaga siya.
Nakaka-
Pati yung bibig,
pati yung bibig.
nanginginig, no?
nung nag-shift na yung voice niya, no? Na naging
Bago pa siya
boses.
mag-shift ng boses, nanginig yung...
Nanginginig na.
oo,
After nun,
nanginig.
nanginig yung kanyang bibig.
Siguro, hindi naman yun intentional.
Totoo.
Kasi sa part ng... Sa part ng Roman Catholic, hindi naman siguro gagawin niya ng pare para lang maging ano tawag dito, mag-trending or whatsoever. No, siguro hindi naman nila gagawin yun. But, pwedeng ding na edited, pero upon watching the video, hindi siya, wala kang
Hindi-
makikitaan ng mancha na edit.
Ina-edit.
Oo.
Pero syempre, tinan natin sa mga eksperto na nag-edit talaga, no? Baka, malay nyo guys, no? Baka mali kami, pero iba.
Yes.
Iba yung
Oo,
kilabot din
opinion lang naman natin, di ba?
pag narinig mo ito. Ayan guys, please comment down below sa inyong mga reaction at babasahin po namin yan. Ha? Don't forget to like
Share
and subscribe.
subscribe.
Ayan. At kung meron kayong mga videos na gusto nyo gawa namin ng reaction, please comment down below na kayo para magawan po namin ng reaction video yan. Okay? Hanggang sa muli, ako po inyong Ninong Ray.
Ako, si Matuling Vlog.
Bye!